Now, this is a video I posted last year, November 22, 2022, and this video, what's so special about it? It gave me 100,000 followers in just 10 days. Like 10,000 people were following me in a day. This specific video has about 30 million views on Instagram. This is not the only viral video I have. This is another video. It has about over 11 million views, and that is not alone. You can see this is my She's Gets TV backup. This is a video that gave me. Sorry. This is a video that gave me this is 2.5 million views. What's so special about it? It gave me about 50,000 followers on this account alone. I own 7 different viral accounts on Instagram, with the list of them having about 5 million views, and I don't need to spend up to a max of 10 minutes of managing any one of them daily. I just created an account today, 5 hours ago. I created this account 5 hours ago, so let me show you the information here. Activity, account history. So you can see it here. Account created. You created your account on March 8th, 2023, 5 hours. You can see the date here, March 8th. And what happened? I posted the first video, and the first video got what? It got 1 million views, 1 M views. Look at it very well. It got 1 million views and 44.4k like reactions and other comments. You can see 1 million views in 5 hours. You probably might be thinking